Now, let's talk about scales for categorical data. A categorical scale provides visual separation for different groups, and it often works in tandem with a numerical scale, as we'll see here when we plot home runs on the y-axis. A bar plot, for example, can use a categorical scale on the x-axis and a numerical scale on the y-axis. So let's say that we were measuring home runs by position. The positions we've used here are unordered, but you can imagine that if we had ordinal data, we'd want these categories represented in the order that the ordinal data suggests. That'll make it easier to compare and contrast your bars, or whatever encoding that you've chosen to represent your data. Finally, let's talk about time series data. The thing is, we can measure time with various different granularities. So we could use months, or days, or years on this x-axis, which will let us visualize our data in a discrete way. Depending on what you're trying to communicate with your data, you might use a different timescale here. So if you're looking at fluctuations that happen on a very short timescale, days are more appropriate. But if we're looking at long-term trends, we may want to look at data on a month-to-month or year-to-year basis.